In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add coins on your Trezor Safe 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily manage your Trezor Safe 3 and add any sort of coins or create different wallets. So what you have to do is first connect it to your PC. This will be done using a USB cable. So you plug one end of the USB cable into the Trezor Safe 3, the other one goes into your PC or laptop, and by doing this, you will have access to Trezor Suite. If you don't have Trezor Suite already, then go to the website and download it from here. But if you already have Trezor Suite, then you can skip ahead in the video. You might have to confirm this connection if it's your first time plugging it into a PC. And once you have it plugged in, properly set up, and you download Trezor Suite, you can open it. Inside of Trezor Suite, your Trezor device will be detected at the top left, and now you will be able to manage your wallet. So what you have to do to add coins is to click this plus sign at the left side of the screen. So this plus sign on the menu will allow you to add new coins to your Trezor device. So click the plus sign, and now you will see all of them listed here. So you will have the activated coins at the top, so wallets that you already have, and then wallets that haven't been activated yet. So you will have stuff like Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and so on. Just choose any of these. Immediately upon selecting any of these, a wallet will be created and it is going to appear on the left. So let's say, for example, you chose Solana, it is going to appear here. If you choose this account, you will have an overview, you can add new tokens, and you will see the main options of sending and receiving. By choosing Receive, you can reveal the full address where you will be able to deposit that specific coin on this wallet. You can create as many wallets as you want, and you can manage all of them as long as your Trezor is connected to your PC with a cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to add coins on Trezor Safe 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.